Namaskar, I am Dr. Amit Bharadwaj. I welcome you all for India Meteorological Department daily weather briefing for today, 22nd of February. Now, if we talk about the past 24-hour weather observed, so if we talk about the light to moderate rainfall, it has been observed over many places of Arunachal Pradesh and isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh. And if we talk about SHWB regions and Sikkim, Assam and Meghalaya, Andaman Nicobar Island, and also isolated pockets of NMT regions. The light to moderate rainfall is also been observed over Odisha, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh regions. And if we talk about the hailstorm warning, it has been observed over SHWB region and Sikkim and Odisha. If we talk about the thunderstorm lightning which has been reported over SHWB region and Sikkim, Assam and Meghalaya, NMT regions at few places, and also Lakshadweep and Odisha. So the dense fog where the visibility is in between 50 to 199 meters is been observed over Gangetic West Bengal and Meghalaya regions. Now if we talk about the maximum temperature, so during last 24 hours, the daytime maximum temperature has fallen by 1 to 4 degrees Celsius over many parts of plains of northwest of India. And it has raised by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over many parts of Gangetic West Bengal and no significant changes in remaining parts of the country. And the yesterday highest maximum temperature was reported 38.6 degrees Celsius over Ratnagiri, which is in Konkan and Goa. Now if we talk about maximum temperature departure, so the day temperature were above normal by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius over many parts of Maharashtra, Telangana, east of central India, Bihar, Jharkhand and Uttar Pradesh. And these were above normal by 1 to 4 degrees Celsius over some parts of northwest of India and near normal on the remaining parts of the country. Now if we talk about the minimum temperature, as you can see in this, during past 24 hours, the minimum temperature has fallen by 1 to 4 degrees Celsius over many parts of plains of northwest of India and some part of central India. And it has raised by 1 to 4 degrees Celsius over many parts of western Himalayan regions, northwest of India, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, and there is no significant change over remaining parts of the country. So today's lowest temperature was reported at 8.7 degrees Celsius over Ambala, which is in Haryana. Now if you talk about minimum temperature departure, as you can see in this picture, the night temperature were above normal by 2 to 5 degrees Celsius over many parts of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, northeast, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, Sikkim and West Assam, and near normal over the remaining parts of the country. Now if we talk about today's synoptic system, so cyclonic circulation lies over northeast Pakistan and adjoining Jammu regions at 1.5 kilometer region, and you can also see there is a trough in the westerly which runs from South Gangetic West Bengal to north coastal Andhra Pradesh at 0.9 km above mean sea level. There is also a cyclonic circulation which lies over northeast Assam and neighborhood and which is extend up to 1.5 km above mean sea level. There is also a trough in the easterly from Rayalaseema to south Chhattisgarh, which is now actually running from north Kerala to central Madhya Maharashtra at 0.9 km above mean sea level. And also we are pointing out the fresh western disturbances which is likely to affect northwest of India from the night of 24th of February. So these are the synoptic systems, and today's highlights are the thunderstorm accompanied with lightning, gust events and hailstorm are likely over East India on 22nd and 23rd of February, and also due to the active western disturbance is likely to affect northwest of India from 25th, which will cause heavy rainfall, snowfall over northwestern Himalayan region during 25th to 28th of February. So these are the highlights. Now if we talk about the temperature forecast, the maximum temperature, there will be no significant change in the maximum temperature likely over western Himalayan region during next 3 days, and it will gradually fall by 4 to 5 degrees Celsius, and there will be a gradual rise in the maximum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over plains of northwest of India during next 4 days, and there will be no significant change thereafter. And no significant change in the maximum temperature likely over central India, Gujarat during next 3 days, and it will rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter. And no significant change in the maximum temperature likely over rest part of the country during next 4 to 5 days. The minimum temperature, if we talk about the minimum temperature, there will be gradual fall in the temperature by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius likely over northwest of India during next 2 days, and gradual rise by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. There will be no significant change in the minimum temperature likely over central India, Gujarat state during next 3 days, and it will rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter. And there is no significant change in the minimum temperature likely over rest part of the India during next 4 to 5 days. So these are the statement. Now if we talk about the multi-hazard warning, so we have issued day 1 22nd. The orange warning alert has been issued for Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal and Jharkhand regions. You can see that there will be thunderstorm, lightning with hail, also with the gust events warning has been issued over these regions, and yellow warning has been issued for northeast of India, many parts of it, including Bihar, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and south interior Karnataka, as well as coastal Karnataka region for the day 1. Now, if you talk about the day 2, the orange warning alert has been issued for Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal, where isolated thunderstorm, lightning with gusty winds can happen. Even some parts hail can also happen. And the yellow warning for the thunderstorm with lightning has been issued for the Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and northeast of India. Now, if you talk about day 3, so lightning warning has been issued for isolated location over Odisha as well as Assam and Meghalaya regions, as well as Andaman and Nicobar, where lightning can be there on 24th. Now, if we talk about 25th of February, due to the coming fresh western disturbance, there will be heavy rainfall may occur over Jammu and Kashmir regions, as well as yellow warning alert has been issued for thunderstorm and lightning over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, as well as Andaman and Nicobar regions. Now, on 26th, that warning will continue, and the heavy rainfall warning has been also included for Jammu Kashmir region, Himachal Pradesh region, as well as Andaman Nicobar region for 26th of February. So the heavy rainfall warning has been issued for 27th of February for Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand regions, including with thunderstorm and lightning activity. Now, for 28th, this warning will continue, and which will be impacting our western Himalayan regions. And that's all for today. And you can follow us on IMD Mausam website, various social media platform. That's all. Namaskar. Dhanyawad.